interesting time management tip for you that not many people are aware of, so listen. And if you like this video, subscribe and like it. It'll help to spread the information to other people and help them out as well. Now how do you do that? You can put an alarm every hour, but you know what? Alarm is pretty jarring, right? So what you can do, and also to minimize your overspending of time in social media, I would suggest getting a watch that has the option of a chime. So a chime is much more subtle, it's just a little bell, and you can program it so that every hour you know that every hour has passed, okay? So once you're aware that every hour has passed with just a little bell, then by doing that, you are much more present, and I would invite you to take a 5-minute break every hour. Maybe work at 5 minutes after the hour if you like, or just aim to do that. Even if you just are aware of every hour that passes, that will help you a lot, especially now because the frequency of the planet is rising and the day seems to be going faster and faster and faster, and we seem to be having less time to achieve what we want. So this is critical. So I hope that helped you, and again I send you off with good vibes and wishing you a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. If you need help, contact me for any subconscious blocks, hereditary patterns, emotional release, chronic pain. I help with all of that and I have a high track record. Love to help you with that. So talk to you soon. Bye for now.